on a crypto project that I have not yet talked about on this channel. But again, I want to reiterate as well, I'm not a holder of XDC network, but this is a coin that after doing some research, I am looking to get in a position here at some level, obviously up over 63% over the last month. But I'll get into this. Before I get into it, do take a look in the description below of this video, guys. Hop into the Discord, brand new Discord link, looking to just build a community of like-minded investors similar to myself in the Discord. Again, also looking for mods in the Discord, so please send me a DM on Discord. But again, link in the description below to join that. Hope to see you guys in there. But nonetheless, let's get into it. XDC network, you guys. Again, never talked about this coin on my channel before. I don't want to get too deep into kind of what it's about. I don't really want to make my videos about just doing a crypto review, about the technicalities and the pillars and the catalysts. But in its purest form, XDC network is a secure, scalable, third-generation blockchain network with capacity to be up to 2,000 transactions per second. It offers high throughput and low latency transactions, and then specifically in the sectors and niches that it's in. Being able to build decentralized apps with ease, right? This is similar to XDC is similar. Again, I don't want to call it a competitor, but it is similar to ArcBlock, and it's also similar to ZBCN, two main cryptos that we do talk about on this channel, right? One, the API documentation, able to build decentralized applications with ease using the XDC API documentation to unleash the power of blockchain, right? Similar to like the agent. Again, it's not using AI necessarily, but being able to build out apps using XDC. And then XDC payments, which is similar to ZBCN, next-gen blockchain powered payment solution for fast, cost-effective cross-border transactions, institutional settlements, etc., featuring ISO 222 compliance, secure custody, and gold tokenization. That's similar to ZBCN and just the payroll processing using the blockchain. But a lot of things going for XDC. If we kind of just look at the price here, over the last month, it's up 63%, which is obviously extremely bullish. Over the last year, it's up 230%, a very, very healthy looking chart. Over the last year, given the highs and lows that we have seen in crypto, and again, back in around, what is this, January of this year, earlier, in the early quarter one, late quarter four, and where we were seeing a lot of coins pump. At that time, XDC is trading at a 14-cent price, which I believe could be all-time high is actually 18 cents for XDC back in 2021. So XDC obviously has been around for quite some time now. Also, XDC not yet on Coinbase which I'll get to in a second, but not yet on Coinbase, right? Which is very, very interesting. But nonetheless, it recently got listed on Binance. Right, recently listed on Binance. You can see here deposits for XDC are now open on Binance. We're excited to share that XDC is now listed on Binance US. This was July 29th, about 3 days ago. So this is very, very bullish. Again, XDC, given the technical aspects that it does offer within their ecosystem, just the utility, this is like the pillar of a utility coin, similar ArcBlock, similar to Z. And just very, very, very powerful utility and technology within their ecosystem, which given the price and given the market cap at 1.5 currently sitting at, there is a ton of upside here for exponential multipliers, in my opinion, in a bull market. I wanted to share this article as well. I will put a link to this article in the description, kind of breaking down XDC network, right? This is an article from stealthx.io. And in this article, they kind of just break down if XDC could potentially reach $10. They have a 2030 price prediction of $3, 2025 prediction of around 20 cents. Given kind of the market cap and where it sits currently, XDC at a 14 billion market cap is a 9x, 88 cents from here, which again, a 9x at 88 cents, it's sitting right now at around 10 cents. It's a great multiplier. And in a bull market with the utility and adoption, or utility that could potentially be adopted, that XDC does offer, a 9x, a 14 billion market cap, to me seems rather attainable, right? I'm only comparing it to HBAR for market cap purposes, but when you break that down and kind of understand what XDC is essentially offering here, 2,000 transactions per second, zero fees, literally zero transaction gas fee, less than 2-second confirmations, low energy consumption, and smart contract support EVM compatible smart contracts. There is just that upside that you look for here when you're talking about these altcoins, utility coins, that offer just a ton of upside at these current levels in this market that we are currently in, when you could say we're not yet in that altcoin season type of atmosphere. These are great coins to look at, in my opinion. Again, not financial advice, and again, I'm not a holder of XDC. I'm actually looking to get a position. If we can see a pullback sub 8 cents, sub 7 cents would be great as well. But again, we haven't seen those levels, since I guess we saw them in early July. Sometime around like anything under 7 cents, I'd be looking to get a position here, to essentially DCA and start to establish a position, because again, I'm really just now starting to really dive into this project, but I did want to share it with you guys as one that does have some significant upside if you're looking to invest into high utility, highly technical altcoins this cycle. So again, let me know in the comments below how you guys feel about XDC. Binance listing is massive here for XDC network. Please drop a like, you guys, hit the subscribe button, and as always, have a great day.